Today we're at Cuyama Elementary School, home of the Bears, and we're here to... Well, we're back at Cuyama Elementary School. We've got some 4th and 5th grade students working on pattern blocks, talking about their attributes, the different sides, angles, and what makes them different than some of the other blocks, even though they may have some of the same qualities, right? Because as we found out, this has 4 sides, and that has 4 sides, but are they the same?
No.
No, right? Because of the angles in them, right? We can tell that one is a square, one isn't. So, quickly, let's talk about the difference between some of the angles, right? A right angle has how many degrees?
90.
90 degrees, right? So on a square, all of the angles are right angles, they're 90 degrees. If I have an angle that is a little bit smaller than 90 degrees, 89 all the way down to 1 degree, right? What kind of an angle is that? You guys remember? Acute or obtuse?
Acute.
Acute, right? Just think about it, it's small, it's cute, right? Okay, that's how some kids remember it, okay? So an acute is gonna be smaller than 90 degrees, okay? So if we take a look at, the top of this, right? That's less than 90 degrees, isn't it? So that would be an acute angle on here, okay? If it's larger than 90 degrees, what kind of an angle is that going to be? Obtuse, right? So it's going to be larger than 90 degrees, and we can see that this angle here is going to be larger than 90 degrees, okay? So now what I would like you guys to do, and you can take as many blocks as you want, whatever types you want, I want you to create some sort of a design for me, okay? So make any type of design you want with all of the blocks, whatever blocks you want to use, okay? When you are through though, what you need to do is you need to be able to identify some of the shapes in it and be able to classify them as far as sides and angles. Are you guys ready to go? All right, get to work. What have you got going on over here?
Trying to make a house.
So you're trying to make a house? Okay, what have you started off with?
Squares.
Okay. And so what is the measure? So you've got a 3 by 3, right? Okay. And then what is the one piece on there that makes it look like a house more?
The triangle.
The triangle, right? Okay. And do you know what type of triangle that is? If all 3 sides are the same? I'll give you an option. Equilateral, where all sides are the same, or isosceles, where only 2 are the same. So which one do you think that is? 2?
The first.
The first one, right? Equilateral, right? Because they're all the same. What have you got going on?
I'm trying to make a double flower.
A double flower. There you go. What kinds of things have you got in the double flower? What shapes are you using?
I've got a long diamond,
Okay.
a square, and a triangle.
And anything else? What's the yellow thing in the middle?
Pentagons.
How many sides are on that?
6.
6. So that would be a hexagon, right? Think about 6 and hex. They both have X's. Pentagon has 5 sides. Nicely done. Let's head on over to this table for just a moment. Oh, here we go. We're going upwards, right? What have you got? Don't know yet? What kind of shapes are you using?
Squares, hexagons, and diamonds.
Okay.
And pentagon. And trapezoids.
There you go. Nice use of the vocabulary. Yours is also gaining some height. What have you got?
I have triangles, diamonds, rectangles, squares, and I forgot this one.
Trapezoids.
Trapezoid. There you go.
And can you quickly just show us how you made some of the smaller triangles into other shapes? Do you remember when you were doing that?
Yes. I made this one the trapezoid.
So show us again real quick how you can put it on top of it maybe. Yeah, so you can just put it right on top of that, the way they fit. There you go. So you can see how one shape, if you duplicate it, can create into another one, right? All right, there you go. Nicely done. Kids working with pattern blocks, working about the sides and the angles, all at Cuyama Elementary School.